Namaste everyone. Welcome to my channel Neighborhood. Myself Ganesh Bhai. Today I am going to demonstrate how to do Vaman Dhouti or Kunjal Kriya. Vaman Dhouti is an important part of Satkarma or Satkriya. In Sanskrit, Vamana means middle and Dhouti means purification. In the yogic literature, this technique known also as Kunjal Kriya. This is one of the most cleansing technique of Hatha Yoga. Vaman Dhouti is used for cleansing of the upper stomach region. The literal meaning of Dhouti is washing. This is brief description about Vaman Dhouti or Kunjal Kriya. So let's start.
Sit in Kagasana position. Drink about 1.5 liters of lukewarm saline water as quickly as you can until you feel like vomiting it out. Stand with feet apart at shoulder width and bend the trunk forward, forming an angle of about 80 degrees to the ground. Now, with the help of the middle three fingers of the right hand, trickle the back of the throat to vomit out all the water. Repeat the process of trickling the throat until no more water comes out, which may mean that all water has been vomited. With continued practice, one can stimulate the vomiting sensation and vomit out the water without using the fingers at the throat. Continue in this way until the stomach is empty. Key points: this is to be done early in the morning on an empty stomach. Wash the hands and make sure the nails are carefully trimmed. A blend breakfast could preferably consist of in like Indian khichdi, along with a teaspoon of pure ghee. Avoid coffee or tea for breakfast. Benefits: the problems of indigestion, acidity, hyperacidity, and gas are overcome. Excess mucus is removed from the body, helping to remedy cough and cold, bronchitis, asthma, and other respiratory ailments. Cleanses the stomach of all its content. Relax completely in DRT for about 15 to 20 minutes. Have a plain breakfast after about half an hour. Limitation: avoid in case of severe abdominal pain, abdominal surgery, tonsillitis, hypertension, heart disease, and during menstruation. Those practices should not be performed by people suffering from hernia, stroke, acute peptic ulcer, or by diabetes with eye problems.
That's all. That is Vaman Dhouti or Kunjal Kriya for you. If you have any queries about this practice, please comment below. I definitely reply your comments. If you like this video, so subscribe my channel. Namaste.